Welcome to Yaohan Centre here in Richmond, British Columbia, one of the city's most vibrant Asian shopping hubs. Located right near YVR, Vancouver's International Airport. You can find everything from fashion boutiques to specialty gift shops, and of course where we spent 100% of our time, their famous food court. But enough of the yapping, let's get straight into the video.
Compaletti utility. Yeah.
Alright, Beeb, where are we at right now?
We're at Yaohan Centre in Richmond. We got a variety of things.
Oh, we're about to find out.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness gracious. Meg wants the duck.
It's huge.
Huge!
That's so good.
That bone? No, it's not good. So moist. Don't make fun of me. Look how long that is. This is broccoli. This is a hot milk tea. It's good too?
Just hot black tea.
Meg's vibe. Meg's vibe. Yeah? I just love noodles. Nice. Is that a favorite? That reaction says it all. Pretty good?
Yeah. It's really good.
We both love mango. The mango's the best though. Yeah. New Jersey! Let's go! Woo! Welcome to Kam Do Bakery, also located in Richmond, British Columbia. This is a beloved Hong Kong-style bakery known for its incredible array of sweet and savory treats. We ended up getting a mango sago, a Chinese donut, a mango mochi, and a pineapple coconut bun. Let's dig in. All right, so we got mango sago with coconut milk, mango mochi, Chinese donut, and pineapple coconut bun. What do you want to try first? I want to try the drink. I'm thirsty. By the way, I paid for it anyways because Meg's never losing.
Always a winner.
Just stir it around.
Probably a good idea.
Looks cooler now. Look at that. Yeah.
Four.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
You can taste the coconut. Really good.
What's next? I wanted the mochi. You get first bite. Okay. I was gonna feed you, but whole piece of mango. Here. Can't probably reach further.
So good.
Lanky ass arms. Look at that drip drip. Oh yeah.
So good. And the mochi is so thin.
I don't think we're beating that. Finish with the pineapple coconut bun. Oh, that's so good. Send it. Oh, by the way, this is for the winner of the 18-hole mini golf challenge, so be sure to go watch that video. We'll put it up here, all right?
Standard donut.
Yeah, it's good. Nothing special. I get the honors.
Jesus Christ.
I didn't get that at all.
You missed all the filling. You're making a mess.
Much better than the first bite.
Not overly sweet. I like it.
Mochi's goated. Mochi's my favorite. Easy.
My favorite.
You like that one? It is good. We both like mango, so no matter what, it's a dub.
All four of these.
Oh wait, there you go.
Stop the cap.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.